Generative AI is a game changer for digital transformation, accelerating autonomy in the factories of tomorrow. We now leverage this powerful technology in both operations and engineering environments. Experience what this will look like. The autonomous factory will be highly automated, making production more flexible and resilient. However, errors in the production lifecycle may occur at any time. Identifying and fixing errors in automation equipment can be a time-consuming and challenging task. With generative AI, errors are found in industrial solutions and suggestions are given on how to fix it. This revolutionizes the work of maintenance teams by identifying errors more quickly and generating step-by-step solutions that can be elaborated on. We as humans will still play a key role with our expertise and intuition when it comes to critical situations. The error is fixed and production runs smoothly with the help of the Industrial Copilot. Fast, easy, and efficient. There is even more than that. Industrial computers control most machines across factories. But the shortage of software developers can be a bottleneck, and crafting automation code is still a time-consuming task. AI-enabled software engineering will keep your factory running.
Generate skill for grasping objects.
With the power of the Industrial Copilot, new code can easily be generated, debugged, or documented through natural language inputs. Engineering teams now significantly cut down both time and error risk in an easy way. It's not just that. In the factory of the future, everything will be interconnected. Digitalization and data-driven insights are reshaping production landscapes and offer new possibilities for optimization across the whole product lifecycle. Data-driven applications enable real-time monitoring and optimized production processes. Meaning for you, increasing efficiency and reducing downtime. To tackle the diverse challenges ahead of us, flexibility, resilience, and sustainability are crucial. Our vision of the autonomous factory focuses exactly on this. Are you curious? Explore how we are using generative AI to fast-track digital transformation and embracing autonomy in a people-centric way.